morning, viewers. Welcome to my brief devotion titled Freshbread. And I do hope that it makes an impact in your life as you begin a new day in Christ. Even as we are at the end of the end times, we must comprehend the role that Israel has been called to play to usher the end of this age. Known originally as Canaan, the land of Israel has been called by many names in the past. When God wanted to establish a God-centered moral nation, He called Abraham from the godless, man-centered city of Ur of the Chaldees in Babylon. All the problems today in the Middle East revolve around this land because Abraham is the father of all the three religions, that is Islam, Judaism, and Christianity, with Jerusalem being the city of God, which is the bone of contention. Zion is the name of the hill in Israel where Jerusalem is located, and the city of Jerusalem came to be known as Zion at a later time. It also refers to the future heavenly city which is known by the name New Jerusalem. Israel is also known as the Promised Land, the Holy Land, Jehovah's Land, and a land flowing with so much of milk and honey is referred as cornucopia. God Himself had marked the boundaries of the land that He promised to Abraham, from the river of Egypt unto the great river Euphrates. Read Genesis chapter 15, verse 18. After 430 years of exile in Egypt, where they went during a famine, God led them out under the leadership of Moses. God had commanded His people to conquer the Canaanites and take possession of the land allotted to them. Unfortunately, Israel never completed the job, and as a result, her neighbors remain a cancer to the people of Israel till this very day. The Quran, the book of the Muslims, proves without an iota of doubt that the Jews are the legitimate heirs of the land promised to Abraham. But unfortunately, not all read it. Allah has been credited for bringing the children of Israel from Egypt through the Red Sea, and we know that Pharaoh pursued them in rebellion till every soldier in the Egyptian army, along with the chariots and horses, were drowned in the Red Sea. It was only then Pharaoh realized when he said, "I believe that there is no God except the one who can save the children of Israel in this manner." Coming to this day, the Jews and the modern immigrants from various parts of the world try to live in harmony, while there is always a mounting tension and escalation of war around Jerusalem. Israel, the land for which the Jews, Muslims, and Christians are fighting for, will always be a bone of contention even at the end of the end times, because Satan hates the Jews while God has made Israel His own apple of His eye. And in Israel, Jerusalem is very special to God. And along with the temple of the Lord, it will become the world's greatest mountain, meaning the world's greatest attraction. Read Isaiah chapter 2, verse 2. Think about this today at the very beginning of this year. God bless you. Have a great day.